my business is the Swann School of Protocol. We have a really, really incredible licensing program where we're licensing other individuals to teach etiquette and build an etiquette business that's a duplicate business of ours. So it's kind of a franchise-like model, but instead it's licensing. And we provide workshops and seminars for children, adults, teens, and college students. And so I have just been juggling and doing so many things, and I'm in the scale portion of my business, and I kind of hit this things were getting tied up, and I didn't know why until I saw the advertisement for the Duplicate Yourself workshop.
And you're like, yes, I need that.
Yes, I thought, okay, this looks like something, but I'm not sure here. So yeah.
Good. And so tell me, what were some of the major takeaways from the workshop, and how have you implemented those in your business?
Yes, when going into the workshop, I wasn't quite sure if it was I knew I needed something from it, but I wasn't absolutely positive as to whether or not this was going to work for my business in the position that I'm in right now. So of course I went in with an open mind. What I walked away with was not just kind of an idea, but I walked away with a very, very specific plan, and that was incredible for me. The plan was so specific, I was able to implement the plan right away. I was able to do so very, very quickly, and so I duplicated myself literally 4 times over, and it's absolutely incredible. So I have 2 VAs, one in the Philippines, and so I was able to look at what she was doing and give her more work that she was looking forward to. So I wasn't using her to the best ability. Then I have a stateside VA as well, and I was able to take her job that she was doing and split it 3 ways. So now she's doing her job, and then I gave the other portions to 2 other individuals. And really, when you think about just being creative as far as cost and everything is concerned, when you really put forth an effort and say, okay, how many hours does this actually take, and what can I pay someone an hour? The money is there. I just wasn't utilizing it the right way. So I was able to do that. And then in addition to that, I created, there are some income generating things that I absolutely need to do. And you pointed that out in the workshop, which was so important. But they're projects.
Yeah.
And I knew, don't get yourself involved in a project.
Get it off your plate.
Get it off my plate. And so the thing that I kept hearing over and over was, hand it to someone else, give it to them, step away, and then I tell the individual, I work for you, so bring me in when you need me, and so forth. So I do need more people. I need more hands on deck. Aside from the ones that we're paying, it would be great to launch a really great internship program.
Yes.
But I'm not going to look for those interns. I'm not going to hire the interns. So I connected with one of the hubettes here at our location in Carlsbad, and she's coming on for a brief period of time to act as a hiring manager. And so I gave her some specific job titles, and we created job descriptions that I brought from that workshop.
Yeah.
And so now she's looking for interns to fill those positions, and hopefully they will make the income and then they can get a job with me, and then we can continue to go on. And this is what I want to do. I want to be a job creator, whether it's helping women create jobs for their business so they can have an etiquette consulting business of their own, or either they're working for our company and earning revenue and helping their families and growing our community.
I love it. Elaine, one last question as it relates to this. When you came into the workshop, how were you feeling in your business? In other words, feelings of like overwhelm, or, oh my gosh, I'm working way too much. And then how did you feel after the workshop?
When I came into the workshop, I was incredibly overwhelmed because I was stuck. And when I say stuck, I'm not saying the cliche stuck. I'm saying I was really stuck in our process. We have it down. Of course, I took the Hera scale class, and I've been following everything. But there was a backlog.
Yeah.
There was a backlog, and things were not flowing the way. And so I was very, very frustrated. And today, not only do I feel as though I'm getting things done, I feel incredibly accomplished. I really do, because there's folks working right now.
I know, right? Isn't
While
that
we
the best?
speak, there are people there. I was not using the talent that I have around me as well as I should have been, and then bringing in new stuff. So right now, people are working, and so I feel lighter, I feel refreshed, I feel recharged, and I feel like I'm really accomplishing my goals because things are actually getting done, and we're not getting that backlog. So literally the best thing, the best class. Once you get to a point to where if you're finding that you're not moving forward in your business, you must take this course and go with an open mind, a clean palate. I've been in business for a very long time. I'm not new to business, but I'm new to scaling, and I'm new to not being that solo entrepreneur. Felina, you shared a statistic with me that really resonated with me, and I have repeated it over and over again to other colleagues. And you had shared that 89% of women-owned businesses are solopreneurs. They are in business for themselves, and only 3%, is it 3%?
Over the $1 million mark.
Are over the $1 million mark, and that is not my goal. I'm going to make tens of hundreds of millions of dollars, but I cannot do that by myself, and I don't need to wait until a certain point. That's the thing I think I was stuck with. In my mind, I think I kept thinking I needed to wait until I got to a certain point in business, and then I can bring people on, but that's not true.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. Thank you. It's, there's so many things you shared. I don't want to have to repeat everything. I'm not going to tell you it's in the workshop because you need to take the workshop. But there's so much in there, and my business is better because of it. So thank you so much.